Hi y'all, this is Erin from BoodleBox Success, and today I wanted to talk about a couple different bots that can help you work through a problem. The first one is PromptBot. So if I'm ever stuck in BoodleBox, the very first place I go is PromptBot. So I can help write the right thing to answer the question I need without trying to become a prompt engineer. So I asked PromptBot, I want to improve my relationships with my colleagues. What do I say? So this gave me some places to go. It also explained how this prompt was crafted so that moving forward, I'll be able to do this myself. So I went to MentorBot, added them to the conversation. For those who haven't added multiple bots to your chat, you do that by Xing out the initial bot that you are using, use the @ sign, and then start to type in the same way you did in the beginning. So I want a role plan bot. It will show me all of the different role plans, or role bots, that I can use. That being said, I asked for a role mentor. I wanted to improve my relationships with my colleagues at work. We're just getting back into the office. Sometimes I feel a little awkward. People are coming and going. So I asked exactly the prompt that had been suggested by PromptBot. It gave me some actual suggestions to use and the way I can do it. And then I said, wait a second, I'm a busy mom. I don't know how to do this. And I need to do it without my family time. So I copied over the suggestion. So I actually just hopped in here, getting to know your colleagues personally. I copied that and I was able to put that directly into my chat. Gave me additional options for reaching out and working with my colleagues. And I said, that's great. I want to actually just send an email with some of that, right? So I asked WriteBot invitation to write me an email. This is not what I sound like. This is way too many words in one place. So I actually say, hey, can you shorten that? Make it for Jane, give me an actual spot. And then I wanted it to be a little bit friendlier and more authentic. If I wanted to take this a step further, I could have put in a context right here in the box of the way I like to write emails, how I typically sound, and ask them to model it off of that. I didn't. I just asked for more authenticity. I was then able to copy over that prompt, pop it in an email, and write Jane a note, asking her to join me for coffee. Very quick, very easy, and actually felt like I had a little friend along the way helping me through a problem that felt a little bit overwhelming. I hope that's helpful. Cheers.